Welcome to Simple Daily English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. My name is Lily. Thank you for joining me today. In this lesson, I want to tell you a story about a very special night. It is Christmas Eve. I will speak slowly and very clearly. This story is made for beginners and A2 English learners. Are you ready? Let's begin. Lily and the Christmas Magic. It is December 24th. The sun is going down. Outside, the world is quiet and white. Inside my house, it is warm. The Christmas tree is in the corner. It has red balls, silver bells, and many twinkling lights. I am wearing my warm pajamas. I am very excited. But then, I look under the tree. I see a problem. Oh no, I say. There are no cookies. There is no milk. And most importantly, I forgot to write my letter to Santa. I look at the clock. It is 9 o'clock. Santa is flying in his sleigh right now. I must move fast. I run to the kitchen. I need to make a snack for Santa Claus. He has a long journey. He is visiting all the children in the world. He must be very hungry. I take a white plate. I find 3 large chocolate cookies. I put them on the plate. Then I go to the refrigerator. I pour a tall glass of cold milk. Wait, I think, what about the reindeer? Rudolph and the other reindeer are pulling the heavy sleigh. I go to the vegetable drawer. I find 2 long orange carrots. I put the cookies, the milk, and the carrots on a small table near the fireplace. Now, I need a pen and paper. I sit at the table and write, "Dear Santa, I am sorry I am late. I was very busy today. Thank you for the magic. I was a good girl this year. Love, Lily." I put the letter next to the cookies. Now, everything is ready. I go to the window. I look at the dark sky. The stars are very bright. I am looking for a red light. Is that Rudolph's nose? No, it is just a star. I listen carefully. I want to hear the bells on the sleigh. Jingle, jingle, jingle. I hear a sound on the roof. Thump, thump. Is it Santa? My heart starts to beat fast. I run to my bed. I hide under my heavy blanket. I know the rules. You cannot see Santa. If you see him, the magic stops. I close my eyes tightly. I try to sleep, but I am too happy. I think about Santa. He is wearing a big red suit. He has a long white beard. He has a giant bag of gifts. I imagine him coming down the chimney. He sees my cookies. He drinks the milk. He reads my letter and smiles. Finally, I fall asleep. I dream about flying in the sky. with the reindeer. I dream about mountains of snow and silver stars. I wake up very early. The sun is coming through the window. It is Christmas Day. I run to the living room. I look at the small table. The glass of milk is empty. The cookies are gone. Only a few crumbs are on the plate. The carrots are gone too. I look under the Christmas tree. Wow! I shout. There are many boxes. They are wrapped in colorful paper. One box is big and blue. One box is small and gold. I see a tag on the blue box. It says, "To Lily from Santa." I open the box. Inside, there is a beautiful new book and a soft teddy bear. The problem from last night is gone. Santa came to my house. He found my snack. He found my letter. The end. My mom and dad come into the room. "Merry Christmas, Lily," they say. "Merry Christmas," I answer. We sit together on the floor. We open the gifts. Sam is playing with a new toy car. The house is full of paper and happy voices. Christmas is a beautiful time. It is not just about the toys. It is about the feeling of magic. It is about the cookies and the carrots. It is about waiting for the bells in the night. I feel very lucky. I feel very happy. This was my story about Santa and Christmas. Now I want to ask you, do you celebrate Christmas? Do you leave cookies for Santa? What is your favorite Christmas tradition? Thank you for listening to me today. I hope your holidays are full of magic. See you next time. Goodbye.